Okay, this is Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop. I just thought I'd do a little video. This is on a safe that I opened. Let's see if I can show you the bolts. This is a TL15 jewelry store safe made by Mutual. And it says it TL15 burglary tool resistant safe. And it says UL, but I kind of doubt that that's actually UL. This comes from China. You could buy these on eBay for about $1,200. This was at a customer's. And the way they had it bolted down in a room, and I was not able to access the side of the safe to view through the change key hole to decode it. So I had to drill through the front of the safe. And I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up doing to bypass the glass relocker. So this has a glass relocker plate. I already took the screws out, so we can remove the cover plate. So there's the, you see in there, that's all the tempered glass that broke when I drilled the face of it. And that's the relocker device right there. So if you're not a safe cracker and you're watching this video, a glass relocker is a glass plate put between the lock body and the housing to stop a crook from drilling it. And what happens is they drill through that, and the glass breaks, and this little wire here is attached to the glass, and it fires this pin into the locking mechanism, and it makes it so they can't open the safe. So as a locksmith, what you have to do if you want to bypass that is you're going to measure. Okay, so this is the top of the safe. If you just look down there, you'll see the spindle. So you're going to measure from the front of the door directly over the dial 2.5 inches. And then you're going to drill a 1/4 inch hole. And then you're also going to measure over 2 3/8 inches, and you'll drill another 1/4 inch hole. You go down with your fiber optic scope, and your scope's going to come down through here, and you can see the glass relocker plate, and you can see this loop that's hooked onto the glass relocker plate. And all you're going to do, let me zoom in here, you're going to just get a coat hanger, and you're going to bend the end of it real tight, so that the opening's bare, so it can fit through your 1/4 inch hole, which we got it right there. And you're just going to go down and you're going to hook that little loop that's attached onto the glass relocker plate before you drill the door. And it takes about 5 minutes. There's no hard plates involved here. It's 2 1/4 inch holes. It's pretty simple, easy, and you could take your time. It took me about 5 minutes. I went down, hooked that. As soon as I got it hooked, I knew I was good. I knew where the relocker was down at the bottom. And then you just drill the face as a normal Sergeant Greenleaf. It's a copy. It's a Chinese copy of a Sergeant Greenleaf lock, but it's pretty similar. Same drill points. So then you're just going to drill your safe body. And I'm not going to show you the front of the door where you're supposed to drill. That's kind of locksmith information only. But I just want to show all the locksmiths that watch this in case you ever run into one of these Mutual safes and you want to drill the door. The whole process took me about 12 minutes to open this safe. There's no hard plates in the door, so it's just the metal, the concrete fire material, and then the surface metal, and then you break your glass relocker plate, and then the aluminum body. So pretty simple, easy, quick safe to open. Just thought I'd do a little video on it. A lot of these Chinese safes come in and there's no specs on them, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. And actually, this is another one I got. This one came out of a fire, and I was redoing it for the customer. It's not done yet. The handle was melted off, and I just welded on a couple spindles, make it kind of like a gun safe handle, and I'm going to mount a new lock on it for them and repaint it. And that's an AMSAC. That's all hard plates. That's a good, this also has a key operated. I took off the cover plate here. It's going to be a key and a combination. This is a TL15, actually a good TL15 safe. This is, I consider see, I kind of think that the TL15 is a counterfeit plate. I don't think it's really a TL15. I think this is more like a B-rated safe. You know, they're saying TL15 because it has a glass relocker plate. But a normal TL15 takes me about 45 minutes to open, and this only took me about 15 minutes. So, anyways, Steve from Steve's Locksmith signing off.